दाबोळे विमानतळात 10 लाख मोलाचे तस्करीचे भांगार, 4 लाख रुपयाचे केशर तसेच 1,20,000 किमतीच्यो सिगरेटी सोमारा विमान पक्षाकडल्यान जप्त केल्यात. कस्टम विभागाच्या पथकान कारवाय करून भांगार जप्त केले. आर्डिक स्क्वा खातीर दाबोळीच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Actually, the seizures have taken place yesterday. By Oman Air, late evening yesterday, we got 2 passengers. One was carrying gold, which was embezzlements of the items that were stitched on the dress, and some watches were there where there was no watch movement inside, but there was gold. Then other than that, he was carrying some cigarette cartons also. So totally that one passenger whom we caught, who started from Dubai and came on Oman Air, the total value of the amount that was the goods that was seized was 9,72,000. The gold wires found concealed in the dress sequences actually. The second passenger was carrying saffron. Saffron is worth quite a lot depending on the quality of the goods. We'll be testing it, and he was carrying cigarettes too. So the value of his consignment we have seen is approximately about 4.8 lakhs. So these are the 2 consignments that were caught in yesterday's late evening flight of Oman Air.